Racing just is started with Sherilyn's break quick little start. Words of Wisdom is running by the rail. Win Factor comes next. Then followed down by Gates of Money. Give It All. Reigning Jewel. Northlander. Then next on line is Warhawk, while Nikolai is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, now we have Sherilyn's moving upon the outside. Now is Give It All. Then next on line is Reigning Jewel, Gates of Money, Win Factor. Then followed by Words of Wisdom, Northlander, Warhawk, while Nikolai is still racing it less. We have Sherilyn's. Then here comes Reigning Jewel. Now moving up in between horses, Give It All. Then moving upon the outside. Now is Gates of Money. Then followed now by Words of Wisdom, Warhawk, Win Factor, Northlander, while Nikolai is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch with Reigning Jewel now takes command by Orling. Sherilyn's and on the outside is Gates of Money, Words of Wisdom as they swing to home. We have Reigning Jewel now by about 4 lengths, followed now by Gates of Money, and on the outside is Words of Wisdom, and finally it's Reigning Jewel. Words of Wisdom, Gates of Money, then comes Sherilyn's Warhawk.
Alright. Yamado, numero 3, Reigning Jewel, ang siyang namayani dito sa race number 13, ridden by the veteran Toberts Kalingasan. Masisigundo yung unang Words of Wisdom, 9 Gates of Money.